Features of the greatest creator. Xiefeng. 4. The greatest creator is mysterious. The greatest creator administers all things in the universe with psychic energy. Such psychic energy is the Tao stated by Lao Tzu in his Tao Te Ching. We can also understand psychic energy as the consciousness and thinking of the greatest creator. Our bodies are fueled by blood, while the universe is fueled by psychic energy, the consciousness and thinking of the greatest creator. Consequently, the intelligence of the greatest creator is actually the blood and vital force of the universe. All human movements, including speaking, eating, sleeping, studying, working, and loving are based on physical instinct and human consciousness, and all of the universe's movements, including the movements of celestial bodies, the continuation of the order of galaxies, and the life and death of all beings within it are based on the laws of physical movements and the psychic energy and consciousness of the greatest creator. The greatest creator does not reveal itself, instead, it reveals its psychic energy. The greatest creator has never favored or communicated with any group of people or given any special revelation directly to anyone. The intelligence of the greatest creator is permeated in every space of the universe and in all the movements of matter. It is to be found in each of us. The greatest creator stays with the universe, all things, and all people. Since the greatest creator is with us, why can we not see it? The answer is that the greatest creator is mysterious. What does this mean? To be specific, the psychic energy of the greatest creator, the consciousness, thinking, laws, Tao, blood, and vital force, is non-material and is dark energy that is invisible, intangible, and can neither be explained nor understood. Such non-material and dark energy perform their functions quietly and without evident appearance or symbols. Though it seems that non-matter and dark energy do not exist, they are actually objective existence, which is ubiquitous and strictly loyal to its nature at all times. Why do human bodies age and die? What leads to aging and death? No scientists, biologists, politicians, or religionists can answer these questions, simply because the greatest creator is mysterious. In the chapter of primary physical and spiritual healthcare in Chanyuan Corpus, I state that the causes of human body aging and death, according to their damaging force, are arranged in the following order: the mind activities aroused by the 7 emotions and 6 sensory carnal desires, drinks and food, sleeping, labor, weather, air quality, noise, cosmic force, terrestrial magnetism, gravitation, radiation, and rays and waves of all kinds. The human body aging and death are facilitated by each anger, excitement, emotional change, depression, cigarette, liquor, improper drink or food, late sleeping or insomnia, overstress, cold or hot wind, rainfall or frost, polluted air inhaled, unpleasant sound, sunspot activity, volcanic eruption or earthquake, leakage of nuclear facilities, bomb explosion, sandstorm, etc. Most of the people agree with my explanation. But most of them do not understand how the above factors change the growth structure of the human bodies. Why? The answer is also that the greatest creator is mysterious. The greatest creator is mysterious, only revealing the result without showing the process. Why? Because everyone would become a god if he understood how things move and change. If so, he would compete with the greatest creator. For instance, the ministers, governors, and common people only know the results of the political bureau, the highest decision-making body of China, meetings of CPC's Central Committee in accordance with their limits of authority. But they never know the process of these meetings. Otherwise, China would fall in disorder. Is the greatest creator selfish or mean? Absolutely not. The greatest creator wouldn't let us know the process just out of his mercy. For instance, a baby is born and someone tells its parents how the baby will grow up and end up in being drowned in a river at the age of 15. Just imagine what the consequences will be like. Of course, it does not mean that the greatest creator will never let the humans know how things move and change. As a matter of fact, he just reveals all mysteries in front of the mankind. How much people can understand the process depends on the individual's spiritual nature and wisdom. The purer their spiritual nature is and the wiser they are, the more and deeper can they understand, and vice versa. For instance, the falling of apples is shown, fairly and selflessly, to almost all the people by nature. But only Newton reached the law of universal gravitation. Many people have taken lifts. But only a few have ever thought what would happen if constant energy is added to the lift, no cable constraint. The life would keep accelerating and its quality would increase. Infinite energy is needed before the speed of the lift could exceed that of the light, which is impossible. The non-material is not considered in this case. As a result, Albert Einstein got the famous equation of E equals mcc, which led to the nuclear bombardment of Hiroshima and Nagasaki of Japan. Moreover, most of us have the experience of keeping ourselves warm close to the stove or campfire, have seen the burning things or have felt hot in the face when cooking at the gas cooker in the kitchen, but have any of us reached the theory of quantum mechanics? Only Max Planck did. Many of us have sat under a tree and only Sakyamuni found the 36-dimensional spaces with consciousness and Buddha land and the ways to become a Buddha. The greatest creator treats all people equally, either the white, black, or yellow, the kings, specialists or common people, either the rich, or the middle class or the poor, either the Muslims, Buddhists, or Christians. The greatest creator has offered the same opportunity and right. Take a broad view and you will see faraway mountains are fresh and green. If you can open your window of your mind and cast your eyes into the future, you can detect the spiritual light of the greatest creator among billions of natural phenomena around you. And you can obtain the great and supreme wisdom that leads to utmost understanding.